Mark as read for clients. The Mark as read for client feature offers a convenient way to manage notifications for unread documents. Its main value lies in helping users prevent clients from seeing excessive notifications after bulk uploading old documents, so they are not overwhelmed by unnecessary notifications. Imagine you're working with a returning client, and you've just bulk uploaded a bunch of old files from another system into TaxDome. Now your client sees a notification saying they have tons of unread documents. Obviously, you don't want them to sift through all of these old files again. That's where the Mark as Read feature comes in handy. Simply head over to your client's Docs page, select as many documents as needed, and with just one click of the Mark as Read button, all those selected files will be marked as read. You can also mark an entire folder as read in one go. Just check the folder and hit the same button, and everything inside will be marked as read. When you revisit the client's portal, you'll notice the unread document notification has disappeared. Another great option is to mark documents as read while you're uploading them. You'll see a toggle for this during the upload process, so you can skip the extra step entirely. Plus, clients also have the ability to mark documents as read in bulk on their end. They can bulk mark their documents as read, keeping their notifications organized and reducing clutter. That's it for how to Mark as Read for clients.